Welcome to Analytify, a GenBI platform. First, from the left menu, click on Data Sources. Then click on New Data Source. From the list of integrations, select Immy.Bot. You'll be redirected to a configuration form, provide client ID, display name, secret value, Azure domain, instance subdomain. Once all fields are filled, click Connect. Upon successful authentication, you'll be redirected to the semantic layer. Drag the required tables and click on Go to Sheet. Let's create a few sheets using Genie AIQ, such as total users by company, user type distribution, active users versus inactive users, total users by tenant. Once your sheets are ready, move Sheets to Dashboard. Choose a scrollable or fixed size layout for your dashboard. Then, drag and arrange the sheets as needed. Once done, give a name to the dashboard and click Save, and your dashboard is ready.